Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato egg soup. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, ensuring everything is fresh and ready. Then, we'll prepare our cooking area, making sure our tools are clean and accessible. This simple preparation sets the stage for a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience, leading to a truly comforting meal. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped. First, dice your ripe tomatoes into roughly 1-inch pieces. Consistency helps with even cooking. Next, whisk 3 large eggs with a small pinch of salt and pepper until just combined. Finally, mince 2 cloves of garlic and thinly slice 1 green onion for garnish later. These steps are crucial for building flavor.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With our ingredients ready, it's time to build the soup's base. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in your pot, then add the minced garlic, sautéing until it's fragrant, about 30 seconds. Next, add the diced tomatoes and cook them for about 5 minutes until they soften and release their juices. Finally, pour in 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, bringing it to a gentle simmer. The soup is almost ready. Once the broth is simmering, slowly drizzle your whisked eggs into the pot in a thin stream. Stir gently with a spoon or chopsticks to create beautiful, delicate egg ribbons throughout the soup. Finish by seasoning with salt, a dash of white pepper, and a few drops of sesame oil for an aromatic touch. Taste and adjust as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.